How to create a Threads account. Go to Play Store and search Threads by Instagram. Click on Download to install the app. Here you can see the app on your phone. Once you open the app, you can see your Instagram username directly in the login section if you have Instagram installed on your phone like me. If you don't have Instagram installed on your phone, you have to put your Instagram username manually here. And yes, you need an Instagram account to use Threads. Now, once you log in, you can put your details here. You can do this manually or import it directly from Instagram. Once you are happy with your bio, click on Continue, and it will take you to the second page. This page uses two options, either to set your profile to public or to put your profile to private. In my case, I'm choosing my account to be public. Then click Continue, and your account is ready. You will see some follow suggestions from your Instagram following list if they are on Threads or have an account on Threads. Then just simply click Join Threads, and boom, your Thread account is ready for use.